Okay, so here I'm at the ticket thing, and this is how to do this. So I know the destination I have to go is up there. So all I have to do is say, click English,
All fare information will be displayed in English.
and then select station, and then I'm gonna select the station I'm going towards. And then it's going, in this case, it's gonna be this one right here. And I know this because of what I found on Google, and tells me what I have to put in. So then I just drop the coins in. So okay, the coins go in until I have the fare I need, and then the ticket comes out. And then let me show you what to do next. Is you go here and you just pop it in like this. It comes out the end, and you want to keep this for when you go to the next station. When you arrive at your destination, you have to show this or pop this in that thing at the exit. Don't lose this. Hold on to this. And that's step 2, buying the ticket.